Hello everyone. It was my honor to have our respected XMP, Mr. Santosh Kushwaha, inaugurated this beautiful interior design project, marking this beginning of a new chapter in this stunning space. I am thrilled to share with you a recent interior design project I completed for my friend. What made this project special was the trust my friend placed in me. Despite having a very limited budget, for the first time, I didn't rely on software to create a 3D design. Instead, I let my imagination run free and designed this space using traditional methods. My friend gave me the freedom to experiment and bring my vision to life. To stay within budget, I opted for a creative and cost-effective solution, that is paint. I designed arches that not only added a touch of elegance but also served as a clever way to conceal lighting and create a beautiful color combination. The centerpiece of each arch features a stunning painting, carefully crafted to bring a sense of peace and relaxation to this space. As the design came together, I was amazed at how pleasant and calming the atmosphere felt. The color palette I chose was carefully selected to be soft and soothing, creating a sense of harmony and balance. Result is a beautiful, one of a kind space that exceeds expectations. I am very blessed to have Mr. Santosh Kushwaha, who not only inaugurated this project but also appreciated my interior design work. His kind word means the world to me. This project reminded me that with a little creativity and trust, it's possible to create something truly special even on a limited budget. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour of my latest interior design project. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design related content.